Hey guys, so this video is about a strange day I had in Uganda some years ago. I lived in Tanzania for a long time in Africa where I did my internship and ended up staying longer. And in that time I traveled a bit around Africa too. I traveled around Kenya, around Uganda, and I went to Kampala, which is one of the cities with the worst traffic I've ever been in. I want to show you a strange and very impulsive day I had in the slums of Kampala, a place where you never know what can happen or funny things. Check it out.
A fight between Gustav and the youngest Mayweather. Youngest Mayweather is pushing it down. Let's see who's gonna win the fight. Okay, there you go. Youngest Mayweather is winning the fight. He is winning it, pushing it.
Monster kill.
This moose was sitting in front of us. They wanted to see like they're playing. They opened the chair, and it took long before sleeping. We've been clubbing like for the past 3 days. You see, even have stickers on my face. No, I removed it, man.
And he does.
Time to sleep with the sweetest family in Kampala, and then waking up to an unpredictable day. Crazy traffic, some building going on, school kids playing football, and a motorbike ride. But my biggest surprise was yet to come on this day in Uganda.
Ladies and gentlemen, you can't believe this. I just killed one of the biggest snake ever in these mountains. Come, bring the camera closer. This is the snake I just killed with my bare hand. That shows how strong I am.
That's so crazy.
Okay, keep coming down. Come down. Come down. Come down.
A perfect view over Kampala, but my buddy John Kennedy wasn't happy and he wanted me to come down.
Come down.
Come down.
This is where my biggest surprise came when I by incident mentioned a Danish word in a small restaurant.
Hvor er vi henne i verden nu?
Vi er i Uganda.
Uganda, ja.
Ja, Uganda, Kampala.
Og du bor her i Uganda?
Ja, det bor jeg. Det har jeg boet så lang tid, fordi hele min familie bor her nu. Ja.
Det er et eksempel på, at verden den er meget lille. Jeg sidder her i Uganda, og jeg møder en mand, som har boet i Danmark.
Say what?
Fantastisk.
Ja. Jeg har også en mor, hun har en datter. De kommer i december.
Vi kommer her til Kampala?
Ja, den 21. For jul. Vi skal have jul sammen, og de tager noget dansk med os.
Så hvad skal jeg have at spise?
Ja, vi skal spise. Jeg har lige glemt, men hun kommer med dansk mad. Vi laver dansk mad, vi spiser jul sammen, og så efter nytårsaften, så tager hun.
Skal vi fyre raketter af?
Ja, det skal vi.
It turned out Leroy was on Uganda's national team of Taekwondo, and he brought us to a session as if the day hasn't been crazy enough already. This is an example of an impulsive travel day where you just go with the flow and see what happens. These days are sometimes the funniest. I was really happy to meet Leroy and make so many unforgettable moments here in Uganda. A strange but beautiful and special day. Have you had an impulsive travel day where you just saw what happened and it ended up being so cool? Please comment below. Remember to subscribe to Gus on the Go. 150 countries and more to come.